Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jackie. Today, I'd like to share with you Come to Life 5, Unit 1. Oh, I'm so nervous. Take it easy. What grade are you in? I'm in the 4th grade. Okay, please stand behind the boy. The boy is crying. What grade is he in? He's young. He's in the 1st grade. Poor boy. Unit 3. Oh, we have science class today. I don't like science. Cheer up. We have art and music class today. Right, I like drawing and singing. What subjects does your brother have? He has PE class today. No wonder he is happy. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.